Welcome. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to allow only your followers to tag you on X, formerly known as Twitter. This setting can help you maintain your privacy while still engaging with your followers. Let's get started with the steps to adjust this setting. First, launch the X app on your Android device. This is where you'll manage all your account settings. Next, tap your profile icon. You'll see your profile picture or the navigation menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will direct you to your account settings. Once you're in, tap on Settings and Support, then select Settings and Privacy. Here you'll find the options for customizing your account. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. This section is crucial for managing your privacy settings and how you interact with other users. Next, look for Audience and Tagging. This area allows you to control how others can tag you in their posts and photos. Now, enable Photo Tagging. This option must be activated to adjust who can tag you in pictures. Finally, select Only people you follow can tag you. By choosing this option, you ensure that only your followers can tag you, which provides an extra layer of privacy. By following these steps, you can easily control who can tag you on X, allowing only your followers to do so. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.